Look here, in today we have discussed this algorithm design and problem solving paper 2. So we have discussed everything in our previous weeks. Algorithm, types of algorithm. In algorithm we have discussed the types, flow chart, pseudocode and structure diagram, and then what is PDLC and SDLC, system development life cycle, and then stages involved in PDLC, then stepwise refinement and decomposition. And after that, look here, stages involved in PDLC are analyze the problem, analyze, design, coding, testing, and the maintenance. So what we have in designing phase, in analyze problem, we analyze the problem to find the solution for it. Why we analyze the problem? So that we can find its reasonable solution. So in design phase, we will write its solution in the form of structure diagram, algorithm, pseudocode, or flow chart. In coding section, whatever we have designed, for example in pseudocode or algorithm, we will implement it with the help of different high level languages. This is called implementation phase. And here is our testing phase. In testing phase, we will find the bugs and debug. Bugs are the errors, and the debug mean removing those errors. And also is part of the testing, syntax error and logical error, finding syntax and logical error. The last one is maintenance. So the real life application of, after learning all these skills, we will move towards this one, real life application of PDLC. For example, Edison robot, ADCOM cable, Scratch app. So here we have the Edison robot. We will implement PDLC over here, analyze, design, coding and testing. So this gentleman is going to implement it, and these are my students. He got A grade, and this one, yes, A star.